afternoon. Today we're going to do the function assignment 4 on nested functions. That's the learning for this unit. So the program that we did is a number is a medium value finding among three numbers. So to start off, we imported a random library. We set an option for the user to choose 1 and 2. One is for input the three numbers manually, and two is for the program to generate three numbers and then output the median. So we again, as always, we have a big while loop that allows user to constantly input. We show them instruction. We have a try here, trying to make sure that all their inputs are numbers. If it's a first option, input manually, we'll have 1, 2, 3, and then we calculate the median. It'll show so for the medium, it'll put that into a list, and then we'll sort a list. We'll find the middle value among the three, and that will be printed out. And if you choose to do it generatively, we'll just have this function. So this is a nested function. So first we generate each of the numbers, and then we print out to show the user what numbers we have, and then we call the calculate median function to find the median as well, and then we just return to finish. So, and then if the inputs are not 1 or 2, we'll just let the user re-input, and then if it's not a number, we'll let them re-input. So let's see how it works. Let's do the manually first. So we're gonna choose 1, 2, 3. So the median value is 2. If we choose 2, I'll generate three numbers, and then they'll pick the middle one. And that in this three case, that two are the same. It'll pick the one that show up the most. So if we try again, so in this case, we have three distinct numbers. We'll pick the program pick the middle one, and then if we error check, we should Y, it will say please input numbers, and then if we error check in here, it will say please input numbers. And then we error check again, saying it's 9. We'll say please input 1 and 2. And that is for this program. Pretty simple.